Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. How's it going? Jason here with Vapes. Today we'll be going over the Sigelei Fuchai K2. Yeah. All right, I'm really excited about this one. I was just out of the house. We were hitting up all the local vape shops, just checking them out because I haven't been to all of them yet. And I found this guy here with an RDA top kit, so like an RDA kit, for $10. I couldn't believe it. I was like, "Are you kidding me?" I was like, "What's wrong with them?" And he goes, "Nothing. We just can't sell them because they're nobody builds here, and it comes with the RDA top instead of a tank." And I was like, "Oh, well, shit, for $10." I'm gonna buy them. And then I was sent my soon-to-be stepdaughter back, and she bought the rest of them except for one that was in yellow. But that's just so funny. Um, this guy comes in. Let's see, we got the colors here. Comes in black, yellow, blue, and red, and I think he actually had all of those colors. Maybe not the red, but he had like six of them. We bought six or seven of them. We bought six of them, which is crazy. This is what comes in the kit. You get, let's see, let's make this big so you guys can see it. You get the mod. You get an RDA. I'll go over that in a little bit. You get the USB. These bands you see here are just change out. Like if you just want a different color band, it goes on the bottom. It doesn't serve any purpose other than aesthetics. It looks nice. It comes with two coils, some gaskets, some extra pins for the RDA, and I want to say it even came with, yeah, you can't see it that well, the cotton. It comes with some cotton too for the build, which is pretty freaking awesome for $10. I'm still blown away with that. It goes to 230 watts, 10 to 230 watts. Let's see if you can see that. Maybe up here. There you go. The display is really nice. There we go. Anyway, it actually has two fire buttons. There's one here and one here. Just depending on how you hold it. Some people, I guess, would like this. I'm so used to the mag. I like this as the fire button. But it's nice. It hits great. I've got the Reza tank on here, but I went ahead and built one of the RDAs for it too, just so I could show you. And it hits like a truck. It's very easy to build. I haven't built much before. This is probably my second build. I was going to show it to you real quick though. This is what it looks like without the coils or the cotton. Just kind of standard. The one thing I have found out about this that kind of sucks is it's got three rubber gaskets on there to keep this kind of snug, and they don't work. They rub off pretty quick, and this just goes in and out. It doesn't stay on there that well, but not a huge deal, especially for $10. I'm not complaining, but that's what mine looks like after I built it. It screws right on there. I'm not sure what wattage I'm supposed to have this at, so we're just going to hit it at whatever I had the other one on. Yeah, pretty amazing. Um, man, great flavor, great cloud production. I'm not a big RDA guy. I don't think I ever will be, just because I'm lazy. Don't want to have to keep dripping. I like the tank idea. But as far as RDAs, easy to build, I'd probably pull this out to show friends and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not a big RDA guy. This guy though, for $10, I'm blown away. It's I'm used to the mag. That's him next to the mag, so he is a little bit smaller. I've got fairly big hands, so the mag kind of fits in my hand better. But for $10, this does everything the mag does, except for I noticed it doesn't give you a hit timer. So like this one will tell you your last hit was 4 seconds or 4.3 seconds or whatever. This guy does not tell you. But he does have the extra feature of having another fire button. Just, super nice. It's got the USB port there, but as we all know, don't charge through that. It'll just drain your batteries quicker. Only do it like in, emergencies. If you don't have an option to use an external charger. But yeah, blown away. If you want a more thorough review of this product, I was just kind of going over how happy I was that I found it. But for a more thorough review of this, Big Mac's Vape review is going to have a walkthrough with this guy. So I suggest you hit up her YouTube. She'll go into more detail than I have. But yeah, love it so far. Definitely wouldn't trade it for the world for $10. This is amazing. All right, you guys have a good day, and I will catch you later.